This isn't just a 1955 Chevy, it's a 650 horsepower, $300,000 supercharged masterpiece that can embarrass modern supercars. What's up everyone? Subscribe to the channel because today we're looking at one of the most incredible Tri-5 Chevrolets ever built. A machine that perfectly blends classic 1950s American styling with modern supercar performance. This is the stunning 1955 Chevrolet 150 Restomod, a professionally built masterpiece carrying a jaw-dropping price tag of nearly $300,000. The moment you lay eyes on this Chevrolet, you immediately understand that this is not an ordinary classic car. The legendary body lines of the 1955 Chevrolet are still present, but everything about this build feels elevated, refined, and purpose-built. Finished in a breathtaking red and black two-tone exterior paint scheme, this car commands attention from every angle. As the light reflects across the smooth body panels, the deep red paint contrasts beautifully against the black accents, creating a timeless appearance that feels both vintage and modern. Every piece of chrome and stainless trim has been restored or replaced, giving the car a showroom-fresh appearance. The factory badging remains intact, paying tribute to the Chevrolet heritage that enthusiasts have loved for decades. Walk around the vehicle and you'll notice the aggressive stance immediately. This isn't just for looks. Underneath this classic body sits a state-of-the-art Roadster Shop chassis, one of the most respected names in the custom automotive world. This modern foundation transforms the driving experience completely, but the real magic begins when you lift the hood. Nestled inside the engine bay is the legendary Supercharged LT4 6.2-liter V8 engine. This powerhouse represents some of Chevrolet's most advanced performance engineering. Equipped with a factory-style supercharger, the LT4 is capable of producing approximately 650 horsepower, turning this classic cruiser into an absolute monster. Imagine turning the key, the supercharged V8 roars to life, the deep rumble fills the air. The exhaust note echoes with authority, and suddenly you're reminded that this isn't a restored classic. It's a modern muscle car disguised as a 1955 Chevrolet. Power is transferred through a rugged 4L80 4-speed automatic transmission, a transmission known throughout the performance world for its durability and ability to handle serious horsepower. Whether you're cruising comfortably down the highway or unleashing full throttle acceleration, this drivetrain is built to perform. Sending power to the pavement is a Ford 9-inch rear end paired with a triangulated 4-link suspension setup and a 3.55 gear ratio. This combination provides exceptional traction, stability, and reliability. Every component has been selected to ensure the vehicle performs as impressively as it looks. And when you're dealing with over 650 horsepower, stopping power becomes just as important as acceleration. That's where the Wilwood power disc brakes come into play. Massive braking performance ensures this Chevrolet can confidently handle modern traffic, spirited driving, and highway cruising with ease. Combined with power rack and pinion steering, the vehicle delivers a driving experience far beyond anything Chevrolet engineers could have imagined back in 1955. Moving down toward the wheels, you'll find a set of beautiful Schott Accelerator wheels that perfectly complement the aggressive personality of the build. Up front, the car rides on two 25 4x5 R19 tires. Out back, massive 295 40 R20 tires provide a muscular stance and plenty of grip for the supercharged power plant. The wheel and tire package fills the wheel wells perfectly, giving the Chevrolet an intimidating presence while maintaining excellent road manners. Now let's take a closer look underneath. For many enthusiasts, the underside of a custom build tells the true story. And this one is absolutely spectacular. The painted frame and floor showcase the incredible attention to detail invested throughout the restoration. Adjustable coilover shocks, tubular control arms, sway bars, and a fully engineered suspension system work together to create exceptional handling characteristics. The jet-coated exhaust system flows beneath the car like automotive artwork, while the adjustable suspension allows owners to fine-tune ride quality and stance to their preference. This is the kind of undercarriage that people gather around at major car shows just to admire. Open the door and the luxury experience continues. The interior has been completely transformed into a custom environment that combines comfort, technology, and craftsmanship. Rich red leather covers the seating surfaces, immediately creating an upscale atmosphere. The front bucket seats provide excellent support while maintaining a premium appearance. Matching red carpeting extends throughout the cabin, creating a cohesive and luxurious design. Directly in front of the driver sits a Billet Specialties steering wheel mounted to a tilt steering column, providing both style and comfort. Behind it, custom gauges deliver precise information while maintaining a clean, modern appearance. The black custom vinyl dashboard creates a beautiful contrast against the vibrant red interior, while the custom center console adds functionality and sophistication. A low-car shifter sits prominently within the console, providing a performance-inspired touch that perfectly suits the vehicle's personality. Technology hasn't been forgotten either. A Kenwood upgraded sound system delivers modern entertainment capabilities, allowing occupants to enjoy premium audio quality during every drive. Comfort features include air conditioning, ensuring pleasant cruising regardless of weather conditions. Power windows add convenience, while custom door panels and a custom headliner complete the handcrafted interior experience. Even the trunk has been beautifully finished, demonstrating that no detail was overlooked during the build process. What makes this Chevrolet truly special isn't any single component. It's how everything works together: the timeless styling, the supercharged LT4 power, the Roadster Shop engineering, the luxury interior, the show quality craftsmanship. Every element has been carefully selected and executed to create one of the finest Tri-5 Restomods you'll ever encounter. This isn't simply a classic car, it's a statement. A celebration of American automotive culture, a machine capable of attracting attention at every car show, every cruise night, and every traffic light. With an asking price of $299,900, this Chevrolet represents the highest level of custom automotive craftsmanship. It's built for collectors who demand excellence, enthusiasts who appreciate performance, and dreamers who believe classic cars should be driven, enjoyed, and experienced. Because when you combine the iconic beauty of a 1955 Chevrolet with supercharged modern performance, luxury craftsmanship, and world-class engineering, the result is far more than a Restomod. It's automotive art on wheels. And this incredible 1955 Chevrolet 150 Restomod may just be one of the finest examples ever built. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing classic cars, muscle cars, and ultra-premium Restomod builds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.